Yeah. You know what, man? I hear all this talk you're doing about this motherfucking Young Slay changing and shit. The fuck you was expecting, man? I became a fucking rapper. You know what, man? Fuck this interview. I'm sick of it. Let's go. My first time was like getting high on heroin. I grabbed the pen and felt the rush running through my veins. It felt good like slit wrist to a sadist, or maybe like stimulation to a clitoris. Ever since I turned into a lyricist, I've been invoking spirits and fellas like a voodoo priest. Mediocre type of shit, my ass. I spit volcanic ashes that irritate bitches like fake eyelashes. I bossed up, my balls got bigger. My thoughts are no longer censor. So my motherfucking mouth is like this of a cellar. Plus I drank a liquor by the liter, punishing my liver. People get emotional, cause my shit is controversial and cause damage on a subconscious level. I'm desensitized like a numb dick. I'm a stud, couldn't give a fuck even if I fucking wanted. Seriously, you just notice I done changed? Mr. Nice Guy turned into a motherfucking asshole. I ain't gon' lie, shit done changed ever since I turned into a motherfucking rapper. My dreads got longer, I'm still a nice guy, but my balls got bigger. I ain't gon' lie, shit done changed ever since I turned into a motherfucking rapper. My dreads got longer, I'm still a nice guy, but my balls got bigger. I fought the devil long enough. I swear to God, now it's taking over me. What the hell has gotten into me? I was a good boy from a fairly decent family. My bitch say I'm a crack addict, cause every time we fuck I put my dick in her crack, get it? But I feel pretty normal, eating like Will spying on his roommate, watching kitty porno. I used to be a regular Joe. When I turn into a rapper, I become an asshole. Man, I'm sick of bitches telling me to stay humble and tone shit down, keep my ass out of trouble. Fuck being humble, fuck your opinion. You can talk to my ass if you got further questions. Y'all got more nerves than a bum tooth, acting like I don't demolish the mic every time I hit the booth. For the longest you ain't feeling me, now you screaming trying to get a fucking autograph from me. Are you kidding me? You know what? It ain't worth it. Here's a fucking CD, you can fucking have it. I ain't gon' lie, shit done changed ever since I turned into a motherfucking rapper. My dreads got longer, I'm still a nice guy, but my balls got bigger. I ain't gon' lie, shit done changed ever since I turned into a motherfucking rapper. My dreads got longer, I'm still a nice guy, but my balls got bigger. I ain't gon' lie, shit done changed. Still ain't enough change cause I still ain't got the range. Damn, it's cool though. Nowadays I get more attention than an histrionic person. Not that I need your approval since we on the topic. Ain't I lyrical, cynical, ain't I diabolical, ain't I clinically ill? Bitch, don't I got the motherfucking skill to pay the bills? My mouth is a weapon of mass destruction. When I lash out, I leave damage of biblical proportion. I said I ain't doing no more featuring. These rappers ain't got no lyrics, they like chicks with no tits. When you call your bitch, she ain't answering. That's a clue she's doing acrobatics on my ding-a-ling. But don't take it too serious, cause I be kicking her out about 2 in the morning. You know me, after I smash them, I don't know them, but they keep coming back like genital herpes. They keep coming back like genital herpes. I ain't gon' lie, shit done changed ever since I turned into a motherfucking rapper. My dreads got longer, I'm still a nice guy, but my balls got bigger. I ain't gon' lie, shit done changed ever since I turned into a motherfucking rapper. My dreads got longer, I'm still a nice guy, but my balls got bigger.